In this video, we are going to look at completing time logs for PD3. We are logged in under our test student Rachel. From the Home tab, we're going to go ahead and open up our time logs. We're going to create a new activity. Similarly to PD1 and PD2, we are going to select the correct time log, and the activity will be student teacher. Again, your reviewer email will be your CT cooperating teacher. The date and the time that I was at the school. The biggest difference between PD1 and PD2 and PD3 is in PD1 and 2, you put in a quick description on what information you did that day. For PD3, you're going to go to questions, and instead of writing a description, you're going to indicate which activities you participated in. So if I did all three, we can click all three. If I spent most of the day working with small groups, click small groups, and I'm going to hit create. And again, by hitting create, that is going to bring me to my time log screen with my entries. To submit this time to my CT, I'm going to click, hit submit approval, and it's going to bring me to my submit approval screen. And as soon as I click submit, it is now sent to my CT, and I know because my status says pending approval. Every single time that your CT gets an email, the status will change back to approval. You can add as many time entries as you need, going back to make sure that we gather all information in. The other big difference between PD1, 2 and PD3 is in PD1 and 2 we were counting hours. We were looking for 60 hours. In PD3 we're counting days. So we know some days, if there's early release, it may be shorter. If you have class that afternoon, it may be shorter. And we know for other days it's going to be longer potentially than an 8-hour day, depends on what's going on at the school. So again, instead of hours, we are looking for how many time entries you have for the day. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at the College of Public Service at University of Houston downtown.